Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So getting started on a pretty good sized concrete project. Jonathan and Julio and Angel have been killing it over here. We'll be putting a sidewalk alongside the house. This is going to be a 24 by 30 area for the RV. We're going to be building an RV shelter over that. All this new area here will be concreted. Real poor concrete work that we're going to be working back to. That is not our work, but we're going to do the best we can with it. The driveway will get torn out, replaced, front sidewalk, and out to the street. This is about a 55 to 60 yard pour. First order of business, get the slab done and then work our way out. Call us, we can help you out with any type of concrete work. We've got the crews, equipment, and experience to get it right, get it done quickly, and a driveway you can be proud of. I'll keep you posted with progress. Thank you for watching, and keep the people of Ukraine in your prayers. And don't forget to subscribe.